Hi there everyone, my name is Preetham Negi. In this video we will see how we can install Windows 10X into our PC. Now we cannot natively install it, but we will try to install it with the help of Microsoft HyperV. So for that, first of all you need to have Microsoft HyperV. We can enable it by going into turn on and off feature. And make sure that you should have at least Windows 10 Pro in order to enable this Hyper-V. You just need to enable it and it will ask for restart. So just make a check on these all options so that we can enable it. If you still face a problem of how we can install Hyper-V, then please go through my video because I have already created a separate video that how we can install Hyper-V into our system. However, I believe by just turning the Windows feature on and off, you will able to install it. Now after restarting your system, just type here Hyper-V and you will find this option. The next thing you need to do is to download the image of Windows 10X, which is this one. I will also keep the link of this in the description of this video. You just need to download this and you can see the size of this is 2.15 GB. So it may take a while. After we have downloaded it successfully, go to Hyper-V Manager and click on New. Click on Virtual Machine. Click on Next. Here you can give it a name. Let's say I want to give it 10X. Now I can click Next. Select Generation 2. Next. Here you need to specify RAM. In order to work it properly, please provide at least 3 GB of memory. So based on your system, you can provide it. Now again, I will be clicking on Next. Also make sure to check this option which says use dynamic memory for this virtual machine. Now for internet, I would like to choose default switch. Click Next. Now what we need to do is we need to select this option. And now the file that we have downloaded from this link, just download this and extract the file. After you extract the file, you will see this image of hard drive. Now simply specify the path. So I will be specifying the path and let me just open the same here. And now I will attach it. Now I will be clicking on Next and then Finish. Now let's say you want to edit your virtual machine further, then you can do it. Just click on this 10X that we have just created and now we can click on Settings and here we can specify or change other settings as well. Now I'm going to leave it as it is. I just wanted to show you how you can change further settings or if you want to customize it more. Now I will be clicking on Connect. Now I will click on Start. This process may take a while. After a few minutes, we can see our setup process got started. Now from here we can select our region. Then the keyboard layout. Then if you want to add the secondary keyboard layout, you can add it, but I'm going to skip it. If you want to add it, you can click on add and then from here you can. Now I'm going to accept it. Now from here we will be selecting setup for personal use. And here you need to provide your Microsoft account. If you haven't, then you can create directly from here by clicking on create one. So here you can enter your desired email address, but I don't want to. So I will be going back and I will be signing with my existing one. After I signed in, it is asking us to create a pin, so we can click on create pin. So enter the pin, it will act as a password. Then click on next. From here you can change your privacy setting. Now click on accept. Now here we can see we have successfully installed Windows 10X. Most of the application in Windows 10X is cloud based, so here we can see after I signed in, I got my documents synced. Now I can only see the apps and there is no legacy app support, which means that the Windows 10X does not support the legacy software as of now. From Microsoft Store you can download further more apps if you want. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.